Hi boys and girls, welcome to Crafts and More. This time we're going to be doing Christmas crafts. The first one you will have in your baggie is a Christmas tree. And you will have a piece of cardboard in there cut out like a Christmas tree. You'll have a stand for it, and you will have colored macaroni in your bag, plus a star, and your little star has a little sticky on the back of it. So before you start gluing anything on, put your star on there and then start at the top and work your way down. And please use Elmer's glue or that type of glue, because if you use the glue stick, the macaroni is not going to stick as well. So if you've got some type of a liquid glue, Elmer's or anything else, it doesn't have to be Elmer's, use that type of glue on here. And this is just an example of the one that I did. But you will have green macaroni in there, and you will have red, you will have some gold, and you will have some silver in there. So it's your Christmas tree. You decorate it however you want to. Then the next craft you will have a little gift bag. And in your gift bag you will have two big googly eyes and a red nose. So your gift bag is going to be Rudolph. And you will have two candy canes. Now these candy canes are supposed to be for Rudolph's antlers, so don't eat them just yet. And then you have a piece of red tissue paper to put in there. And that is a real simple craft. And you can either give it away or keep it. All right, after you have your crafts done, then you can do your snack. And our snack is going to be a little strawberry Santa. Now, I trimmed the leaf off of your strawberries, but I did not wash them. So you wash your strawberry off and then cut the top of it, which is the point, off, because that's going to be your Santa's hat. So just cut it like that. So you're going to have two ends cut off. So that's going to be your little hat. So what you want to do, where you cut the top of it off, put you in your little cup, you will have some Cool Whip, and that's what it is, it's Cool Whip. Spread it on there, put your top back on it, put a little dab right on top, and then save a little bit. You will have two mini chocolate chips for the eyes, and then you will have a Santa. So we'll do that right now. So in your little cup is some Cool Whip. Now I like plenty of Cool Whip. You don't have to put that much Cool Whip on it. You don't want to. And I gave you plenty. So see, you can do it like that, then you have that around his little hat. And then you can put some on top right there. Then set it down on your plate. Get you a little plate. And well, my chocolate chips just fell out. You've got two, and they're mini chocolate chips. So these will get you some Cool Whip. Put it on there. These little chocolate chips are so tiny. All right, there's your Santa strawberry. I hope you had fun doing that. Then, if you want to eat it, eat it. It's yours. And then if you want to eat the rest of the Cool Whip, you can too, because that's what I do. All right. Now, your STEM project, you'll get a cup like this. You will get a little container like this of vinegar. Now I want you to use your candy cane, break it in 3 pieces because I want you to do 3 experiments. The first one, I'm going to only do 1. I'm going to use vinegar. And then have Mom get you, or Dad get you some hot water in this cup after you do the vinegar. And then after you do the hot water experiment, get you some cold water. Now break the same amount of candy cane and put in each one the vinegar, the hot water, and the cold water, and see which one, time it, and see which one the red comes off of the candy cane first, whether it'll be the vinegar, the hot water, or the cold water. You may be surprised, but we'll see what happens with vinegar. And if you have a clear glass at home that you want to put your hot water in and one for your cold water, you can do that and see which one comes off first, or you can do it one at a time and just time them. That way you can write it down and use the same one. Beginning to come off a little bit, but it's not as fast as I thought it would be. Let's see if I can get some hot water here. It'll take that water forever to get hot. But see, it's not coming off too quick. Not as quick as I thought it would. Just a little bit. All right, then I'm gonna get the same amount as I did. Now, the top of the candy cane, if you want to eat it, you can. That's a little bit smaller piece. I'll take that little piece right there and put it in there. Let's see if our water's gotten hot yet. Yeah. All right. There's our hot water. And we'll see what happens there. It's beginning to come off. That's the vinegar. And this is the hot water. Oh, it's already started to come off, the hot water. See? Yeah. It actually came off the hot water faster. It's coming off of the vinegar now. But the hot water started a little sooner than the vinegar did. So that's your experiment, and then you can use cold water too and see how fast it comes off. But I would say the hot water worked faster. This is a little slower. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you enjoy this. We'll have another Crafts and More in January. And have a happy Christmas.